Hey, what's up everyone? So today I want to share with you a workflow I've been working on for the past few days in n8n that I'm using to generate replies to top tweets and post these replies directly on Twitter. So if we look at it, the first part here is going to scrape top tweets using the Twitter API.io API, post everything in a Google Sheet that we have right there. Right now it's empty, but I'm going to show you in a minute how it works. The second part of it is going to generate the replies, but it's not going to generate generic bot replies. We're actually using custom character to generate like customized replies based on these character traits. And the last part is going to send those replies directly on Twitter. So let me show you. Here, when we press test workflow, it's going to scrape the top tweets, merge everything into a Google Sheets. So we can see right there, boom, everything is being put into this Google Sheets with the status of waiting. We can see so the Twitter ID, the link to the tweet right there. So I've used the term meme coins for the search. Up, we can see here the like count, the retweets count, the replies count. So it's not finding tweets with zero engagement. The date it was posted and the status is waiting. So it's waiting for us to generate the replies. The second part of it is in a loop. So it's going to generate the replies for each and every tweet. I've put a wait node here that's 5 seconds. So because if you pull too many requests, to the Google Sheets at one point it's gonna time you out. So I've put this wait node here to ensure the workflows works perfect. So let's try this out. So when we press start the trigger, it's gonna wait 5 seconds, pull the first tweet, grab the character, merge everything into a prompt, then it's gonna generate the replies. Right now we are using Open Router with the DeepSeek free model, so it's not costing me anything while I was testing this, but you can obviously change this to any model you want using Open Router, and it's gonna post the replies on the Google Sheets, and then it's gonna loop back to the first step of the reply generating step here, and loop over every tweet. So we can see right now the third one is going to be generated, posting ready. So it's ready to be tweeted, to be posted on Twitter. Then the next one is going to be generated right there. And it's going to do this for every tweet that's on the Google Sheets. When every replies have been generated, then it's gonna stop automatically. So let's stop it right there. And then we're gonna see how the reply works. So we're just gonna test the workflow. So it's gonna start from the first. You can also do a loop, but I prefer to use a scheduled trigger. So it's, for example, posting every minute or every 5 minutes. And so we can see now the status has changed to replied. So if we go to the actual tweet, we can see that our reply have been posted there. All right, so let's go back there. So the scraping tweets, as I said, uses the Twitter API.io API with the search term as memecoin. You can obviously change this to whatever you want. Here, the character we stored it on the Supabase. So if we check here on my characters table, I've got all the info about this character I've made. So it's got a backstory, it's got a personality, it's got a passion with fights, openings, and collectings. The goals of this character, his behavior, his task, and everything is being pulled and merged into the prompt. So it's gonna generate the replies to those tweets based on this character. So yeah, I think that's about it. If you want, you can download this complete workflow on my Gumroad. So I'm selling it for $5, which is pretty cheap, and you're gonna get everything. So the workflow template, the Google Sheets template, and also the characters generation prompts. So the first prompt that's going to generate the character traits, the second prompt that's going to generate the Supabase SQL code that you can just run, and it's going to actually put those characters into the table. And the last file is the Supabase setup. So it will allow you to actually create the character setup with all the required columns. So let me know if you have any questions about it. I'm going to put every link in the description below. The Twitter API.io, I have a referral link that I'm going to post as also below. So when you sign up to Twitter API, you actually have 100,000 tokens. With the referral bonus, you will have 500,000 more. So it will allow you to do a lot of calls. Right now I done 27 calls. So I tried this API 27 times. And I still have 596,000 credits. So I have plenty of credits to work with, and it's way cheaper than the actual Twitter API, which allows you only, I think, to pull only 100 searched posts in a month, and since you're pulling 10 at a time, you can only do 10 requests per month. So this Twitter API is really, really helpful. So yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna put every link in the description below, and don't hesitate to comment on the video if you have any questions about it. And yeah, see you next time.